Say, are you guys going to Devonport? My car died and I'm late for a lunch.
We don't usually pick up hitchhikers, but I'm gonna go my instincts on this one. Saddle up, partner. You're it. You're it. You're it, quitsies.
Any quitsies, you're it. No quitsies, no any quitsies, no startsies.
Can't do that.
Can't sue.
Cannot stamp it.
Can't sue, double stamp it, no erases.
Cannot triple stamp it. No erases. Touch blue, make it true.
No, you can't do that.
La la la.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't do that. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd! Lloyd! Lloyd!
Guys! Enough! Hey, wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Fellas, do you not think we can listen to the radio or something?
Radio? Who needs a radio? Ready, Harry? Mark.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
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 Mockingbird. Don't
Everybody
have you
said,
heard?
have you heard?
She's gonna find me a mockingbird.
Mockingbird.
And if the mockingbird don't sing,
Bird don't sing.
she's gonna buy me a diamond ring.
A diamond ring.
And if the diamond ring don't shine,
Ring don't. Hey Lloyd, there's some people who want to ride too.
pick 'em up.
Mark.